If you fall in this, I don't think anyone's gonna come and save you. What is up, everyone? Welcome to another vlog. Today is day 0 of our Tso Moriri trip. We're taking everyone who has come with us for basically like an acclimatization drive. We're going to show them places that you can only see in winter. I hope this is something that you've not seen before. Actually, I'm sure you've not seen this before because you will see why. We've reached our first destination and this is going to be mad.
This is what we live for.
And now you see what they're talking about. I don't know if you can hear it. There's this noise that sounds like a whale, but it's actually water that's trapped inside here is making those, whenever it escapes, it makes the boom noise. It's pretty scary and fascinating at the same time. We can hear the ice cracking. It's a bit scary, but then that's the fun.
Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. Where will you go? And won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds that turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when
Yeah. So this is my friend Morup. I met him when we went to Ule. Ule is an amazing village and this guy takes such awesome pictures of snow leopards and all kinds of wildlife. And today he's gonna skate for us because none of us can. I don't know if this is the good decision or not, but we are almost there, and now this part really feels a bit crazy. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, इसको बोलते हैं. That face was the fat guy face. I kept one leg over there, and it felt like the entire world cracked. Oh! It feels crazy here.
That's what I said.
I just took a step over there and it felt like everything started cracking around me.
Really?
Yeah. Let's try again. Wow, we are almost at the other end. Can I do this? I am scared. Whoa. I don't think if you fall in this, I don't think anyone's gonna come and save you. Whoa. All right. Oh, we done it. We are there to the other side. Woo! I don't recommend it. But if you have a fish, if you're like daredevil.
It's cracking.
Like this feels like a big block of ice. It's like one piece.
It's so pretty.
For the record. Are you ready? Let's go. What's up everyone? We have reached the second spot. I'm standing right where Sangam happens. That's the Indus River. And that's the Zanskar River. Ye dekho. People having lunch on ice. Just now I went over there to start the second place vlog. सारे वहाँ के लोग हेड हो गए हमसे क्यों बात करें then they realize ये तो पागल ब्लॉगर है. So the reality is संगम पे आकर अगर यहाँ पे खाना खाओगे तो इनके साथ शेयर करना पड़ेगा. हो सकता है पुलाव के साथ थोड़ा वो मीट भी खा लें.
Good boy.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
I've always wondered why some memories are more prominent than others. I guess it depends on how strong your feelings were at that time. I think feelings make memories last longer. And I remember sitting in the car in these moments and feeling the weight of my heart. It was heavy, but not with sadness, but with happiness. Because I knew that these moments will never really leave me. But I also knew that there was something bigger waiting for me. Something that made me stay back in Ladakh for the last 7 months. Something that will be etched in my memories like nothing else. The frozen Tso Moriri.